welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is about empirical and molecular formula. It's a concept from some basic concepts in chemistry, which is the first chapter of class 11 chemistry. So let us divide this video into two parts. First about empirical formula, next about molecular formula. We'll understand both these concepts in the form of this question, which is an NCERT example question. A compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen, 24.27% of carbon, 71.65% of chlorine. Molar mass is 98.96 gram. What is its empirical and molecular formula? So first we make a table like this, which has the column percent by mass, moles of atoms, simple atomic ratio and whole number ratio. So first we'll fill this column. Hydrogen 4.07%, carbon 24.27% and chlorine 71.65%. Now when we mean moles of atoms, we divide this percent by mass by its atomic mass. So like for hydrogen, if you find, it will be 1.008. So if you divide 4.07 by 1.008, it turns out to be 4.04. And for carbon, 24.27% divided by 12.01 is the exact atomic mass. We get 2.021. And for chlorine, 71.65% divided by its molecular mass is 35.45 something. We take it as 35.5. We get again 2.021. So this is called the moles of atoms. Next, to obtain simple atomic ratio, we divide these moles of atoms by the smallest among them. So over here the smallest value is 2.021 for both of them. So we divide all of them by 2.021 and we get what is called the simple atomic ratio. If we divide 4.04 by 2.021, we get 1.99901. And 2.021 by 2.021 is 1, and same for this here also it comes out to be 1. Now this is simple atomic ratio. Now I have to convert it to the whole number ratio. Over here we can approximate it to the nearest whole number, that is 2. So it will become 2, 1 and 1. Whereas in some cases, like if you got 1.5 over here, you can multiply everything by 2. Then this will become 3, 2 and 2, like that. So in this case you got 2, 1, 1. So the empirical formula that we get in this case will be CH2Cl. Now let's look at molecular formula. Now to find the molecular formula, after already knowing the empirical formula is CH2Cl, we need to find what is called the N factor. And N factor is given by the formula N is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical mass. Now molecular mass is same as molar mass is given in the question. Empirical mass can be calculated from the empirical formula. So in this case, the empirical mass would be the mass of one carbon atom, which is 12.01, plus mass of two hydrogen atoms, which is 2 into 1.008, and mass of one chlorine atom. And this turns out to be 49.48 grams. Now if you find the N value in this case, we get it is 98.96 divided by 49.48, and this is equal to 2. Now what we have to do is, to get the molecular formula, we have to multiply the empirical formula by N. So molecular formula is equal to 2 times the empirical formula, which is CH2Cl in this case. So we will get C2H4Cl2. So this will be dichloroethane. And that's how we find empirical and molecular formula. And hope this video helped all of you to understand the concept of empirical and molecular formula, and you can solve questions in a better way after seeing this video, and to recommend it to your friends and like the video.
Please do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.